Before we create the rule to automate a process, let's first of all create a list. Now we can create a list in SharePoint. For example, from the home page of our SharePoint site, we could click the new button and we could ask for a new list. We could use one of the templates provided here, or we could just go for one of these blank options. I'm going to go for a list here. I'm going to type the name of the list, and I do want to show the list in the site navigation, so I'll click create. And so here it appears in my site navigation. I have a column called title. I want to add a column. It's a person column, and I'll click next. The name of the column is reviewer, and I'll simply click save. I want to add another column. This is a choice column, and next. Its name is status, and the choices are, and I'll add another choice. So there's 4 choices. The default one is not ready, and I'll click save. So I'll add a new item, set the status to not ready, add any attachments, and save. So I've created 3 tasks, and what I want to do is I want to automate that if one of these tasks is ready to go, so the status gets changed to ready, that the person who is the reviewer is then emailed and told that that task is ready to go. So the trigger is the status and the action is to email the reviewer. So I'll go to the automate option and I'll choose rules and create a rule. When an item is modified, choose the column status, and when the status column changes to is and the value is ready, send an email to the reviewer with a message saying, so when an item is modified, if the status changes to the new value ready, send an email to the reviewer and create. This rule is currently turned on, but I can turn it off at any stage. I can create more rules, but I'm just going to close this window. So now when I change this status, details, status, ready, and I close this window, I will receive, because I am the reviewer, an email. And here is the email, and I can literally click this option and go to that item, and then back to the task tracker itself. To show this list and to manage this list in Teams, I would simply go to Teams, I would go to my Add tab, I would search for the app list if I couldn't see it, I would click on Lists, Save, Add an existing list, Task Tracker, and now the Task Tracker list in SharePoint is able to be used and managed within Teams. And I could drag this tab and just put it to the right of files there. You can also create lists in Teams simply by going back to that tab, searching for lists, and saying that you want to create a new list, clicking save and creating a new list. But I don't want to do that, so I'm going to right click lists and I'm going to remove that tab and remove and go back to my task tracker.